You've probably noticed that many people love customizing their iPhones to make them look unique and elegant. If you're a fan of minimalist style, black and white icons are the perfect way to refresh your home screen and make it modern and aesthetically pleasing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily set black and white app icons on your iPhone without the need for extra apps or complex settings. So here's how. When you're on the home screen, tap and hold anywhere on an empty space until the icons start to wiggle. This is how you enter the wiggle mode. Then, right at the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the Edit button. Tap on it. Next, select the Customize option. Once you do that, a menu will appear at the bottom of the screen with different customization options. To set the icons to black and white tones, you'll see the tinted option. Tap on it. Now, simply drag the bottom slider all the way to the right. You'll see the icons slowly change to black and white. To save your changes, just tap anywhere on the home screen. And that's it. Your iPhone now has sleek, black and white icons that perfectly match the minimalist style. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.